Hi everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and today I'd like to show you just a fun way to decorate your Unique in the Creek insect body. The insect body is made out of recycled plastic. The top part of the insect body is a little bit textured, and then the back side of the body you will see our signature logo, and it's flat. You'll also see that there's 4 tabs. Okay, the tabs are for connecting, and we do have a YouTube video on how to connect your body to your Unique in the Creek wing board. But today I thought I'd show a little bit of fun creating on how we can decorate this body if we don't really want to put it outside, like in the rain and stuff like that. But if you put it on your door, you might want it like a nice sparkly butterfly body. And it's really, really easy to do. All you need is a little bit of Mod Podge. Well, I have a lot of bit of Mod Podge, but I'm going to use some black glitter. This is just ultra fine glitter. You don't need ultra fine. You can use whatever black glitter you want. You can even glitter in different colors if you want. You're going to need a foam brush, and you're also going to need a Rust-Oleum gloss. I can't stress this enough. It's got to be gloss, and this is to seal your body so the glitter doesn't fall off all over the place. But you need to have gloss. You can have Krylon, Rust-Oleum, whatever. It just has to be gloss. If you use satin or matte finish, it will dull your sparkle. Nobody wants their sparkle dulled. So, first thing you're going to do, this is really, really easy technique. Put down a piece of wax paper. I didn't have any wax paper, so I grabbed some parchment paper. Okay, put your body, not your body, the body, onto your paper. And we're going to brush a little bit, a thin layer coat of Mod Podge. I am using Mod Podge matte. It doesn't really matter if you're using gloss or matte, because we're going to finish it with the Rust-Oleum anyways, once it's dry. But you put a nice thin layer. Now, Mod Podge does dry clear. And you're just going to put a thin layer, not too much, because if we put too much on, then it's going to grab too much glitter, if that makes sense. Just that you can see the streaks. You can see streaks of white. There we go. That's perfect. So I can still kind of see the black through it, but I also can see my Mod Podge. Okay? And now what you're going to do, this is really simple. Make sure you get your antennae if you want it sparkly. And now what we're going to do, I'm going to open my glitter. And depending how, we don't want any hair on it either. Depending how much glitter you want or how little you want. If you want it completely covered, you're going to make sure the whole thing is covered with glitter. Now, you're not going to waste any, because that's why we have the wax paper, because we can then pour it back into the jar. If you just want a little bit of glitter, normally they come with a little shaker top that you can just sprinkle, and you have more control of how much glitter is on the body. Okay, so you just shake it on, kind of like salt and pepper, and you got a little bit of glitter. And keep in mind, the white will dry clear. Okay, so there's a little bit. I love my glitter. So we're going to dump this puppy. I'm sprinkling it right over top till it's covered. So you want to get every inch of it. And like I said, it's the only glitter that's going to be used is where the glitter has landed on the body where the Mod Podge is. I'm almost done here. The bottle is empty. So that is lots of glitter. So I'm just going to shake it around and make sure all the spots that I want have glitter. And you can see I don't see any white coming through. That means I'm glittered good. And then I'm just going to tap it. See all that glitter? All that unneeded, wanted glitter just falls back onto the paper. And there we go. So we're going to let that dry. You're going to give it about an hour or two to dry. And then once it's dry, take it outside, and you're going to give you don't have to do 2 coats, just do 1 coat of the gloss clear that's non-yellowing. You're going to give it a good coat all the way down your body. Let it dry, and you'll be ready to put your gorgeous blinged up butterfly body onto your beautiful butterfly that you made. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you liked this little tutorial. Bye, guys.